Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to download MooMoo application on your mobile device. To download the MooMoo app, first of all, open up your Google Play Store or your App Store. In the search box, type in MooMoo. Look for this MooMoo Stocks and Investments application and then tap on the Get button to start downloading the app. On your Android, you'll need to tap on Install. Wait for the app to download and install, which will take a couple of minutes. Once it is done, tap on Open. Once the app is installed, you can sign up or log in to get started with your stock trading account. So that's how you easily download and install MooMoo right on your mobile device. Now you're ready to explore stocks, ETFs, and more with the MooMoo app right from your phone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.